In today's video, we are gonna be answering 3 important questions I received from you. Where you can find and enable render history, light mix not working, and how to reduce noise. All of them are in Vray 5, so let's get started. The very first question is the render history. We usually use render history to compare between 2 or more rendered scenes, to see the differences between them. It's really a helpful tool, especially if you want to focus on small details. You can enable it by opening the Vray frame buffer, go to option over here and select Vray frame settings. From here you will find history, check on enabled, then you will see the new history settings appeared. From location, you can choose whether you want to save the rendered scenes on the project path or a custom folder you determine it. The rest of the parameters are pretty clear, I guess, so I'll move out quickly to the next question, which is light mix not working. You indeed know the new light mix feature in Vray 5. When you wanna use it, you will go to render elements in render setup, then select light mix. Here are some options you might wanna use. Now we did add the light mix element, but it will not work yet until you use brute force primary engine from the global illumination. Go to GI, then select brute force. And here we are. It worked with no problems. Let's jump right away to the next question, which is how you can fix the noise issue after they took out the subject parameter. You have 2 options you gotta use. One is using Vray denoiser element, just like this. And option 2 is using a proper render settings, just like this. Now the noise issue fixed. If you do have any questions, write it down in a comment and subscribe if you still didn't. See you next time.